If you're a developer, I bet there's one question on your mind right now. With all these AI models dropping, which one should I actually be using to code? Well, let's get into it.
Right? This is the question on everybody's mind. You've got GPT, you've got Claude. New models are popping up all the time. At the end of the day, you just want the one that saves you the most time, right? The one that gets rid of the tedious stuff and just makes you a better, faster programmer. We're all looking for that silver bullet. But here's a twist for you. What if asking which model is the best is actually the wrong question? What if the real key to unlocking your productivity, the thing that's going to genuinely change your day-to-day, is something else entirely? Now, to really get what's going on, we do have to talk about the newest contender on the block. There's a model called K2 from Moonshot AI that just dropped, and, it's making some serious waves. And I mean, just look at how it stacks up. On the SWE benchmark, which is a really important test for coding skills, it actually beats GPT 4.1. It's right on the heels of the current champ, Claude. For a brand new model to come out of the gate that strong, that's incredibly impressive. So what's the deal with K2? Well, for starters, it's completely open source and free to use, which is huge. It's been trained on super fresh data, and it's not just for coding. It's also a beast at things like tool use and math, sometimes even better than Claude. It's a seriously powerful and accessible tool. Okay, so K2 is the answer then, right? Or maybe it's still Claude. Well, not so fast. This is where the whole conversation pivots. Because obsessing over which model scores a few percentage points higher on a benchmark is kind of missing the bigger picture. Here it is. This is the key. Your biggest productivity gains, the ones you'll really feel, aren't going to come from swapping one amazing model for another. They're going to come from changing how you bring AI into your coding process in the first place. And that brings us to the real game changer here. AI native integrated development environments, or, AI IDEs. We're talking about moving way beyond having a chatbot open in another tab. This is about making AI a fundamental part of your coding environment. So what the heck is an AI native IDE? Think of it like this. It's a coding space where the AI isn't just a helper you chat with. It's more like a partner that lives inside your project. It knows about all your files, your code, your goals, so the help it gives is super relevant and deeply integrated. And you know the best part? You can try this out for yourself, like right now, for free. Amazon just launched a tool called Crow. It's basically a super powerful, free alternative to paid tools like Cursor, so it's a fantastic way to see what this new workflow feels like without opening your wallet. So, why is this so much better? Why is this such a big deal? Let's just put them side by side, the old way versus the new way. Okay, just think about it. With a chatbot, the AI has zero context of your project. You're constantly copying code, pasting it in, pasting the answer back. It's a mess. But in an AI IDE, it has full project awareness. That whole copy-paste dance, gone. Replaced by one-click actions. Vague, general suggestions become smart, real-time advice right in your code. And debugging, it goes from this disconnected back and forth to a smooth, integrated feedback loop. It's a whole different world. And this quote from the source material just hits the nail on the head. All that time and mental energy you spend jumping between your code editor and a browser tab, that friction, that constant context switching, it basically just vanishes when the AI is living inside your editor. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's time to stop thinking about a small model upgrade and start thinking about a massive workflow upgrade. So here's your new game plan, just 3 steps. First, shift your focus. Stop asking which model and start asking which workflow. Second, actually try an AI IDE. Go download a free tool like Crow and just play with it. And third, the main principle. Integrate, don't isolate. Let the AI work inside your project, not in a box on the side. Look, the best model today is probably going to be replaced by a better one tomorrow. That's just how it is. But a better workflow, that's a long-term advantage. The real leap forward in AI coding isn't about the chatbot, it's about the environment it lives in. So the real question is, are you ready to make that switch?